How you guys doing? My name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. Going to do a quick video on the ultimate patio char grill on our site. For scale purposes, you can kind of see I'm just a normal height person. This smoker's pushing 10 foot long. For a patio smoker, it's on the large side, but people do buy a lot of them as a patio smoker. Charcoal grill, independent charcoal grill, main pit, vertical smoker, 24-inch pipe main, 24-inch pipe, firebox 1/4 inch steel, helping to set up. Like I say, 20-inch pipe vertical, 20-inch pipe charcoal grill. All the racks are independent of each other. You basically start on this side, I guess. The charcoal grill is independent from the main pit. You can be grilling on this thing. It has its own vent right here. It has a charcoal pan down in the bottom. You can be grilling your steaks or cooking hamburgers or whatnot and be doing all your smoking at the same time. That's what kind of sets this one apart from the other smokers that we sell. Your main pit here, it is a reverse flow smoker. Call me on that or read on the website. I think our frequently asked questions has a real good write-up on the reverse flow process. Basically brings your heat and smoke to this end, comes up in contact with your rack, goes back across to your stacks. There's a little flapper here inside the smoker. Basically a flip open and shut flapper. It's about this big. Let your heat and smoke go into your vertical smoker. If you leave it shut, it's a warmer. You open it up, you can put your heat and smoke in here and use it as an actual smoker. Other than that, you got square tubing racks on everything, heavy duty slides. You can just about, I can sit on this rack if you want to. It's not going to bend anything. We like that a lot better than angle iron and all that stuff that won't support. We do regular steel. We can also do stainless on the expanded metal. Other than that, you got heavy duty caster wheels. We're big time pro, all steel and all of that stuff. We can do pneumatics. As far as I'm concerned, the rubber tires or stuff like that works well. You'll never have a flap or any dry rotting or anything like that with your steel wheels. They also are real good for the weight. The smoker weighs about 1,100 pounds here, so you'll never have any problem with these wheels, but we can change them out, but we just like this for the longevity of the smoker. You never have any problem with the wheels. Other than that, let me turn it just a little bit for you guys. One thing you might notice, the smoker does have bolt-on stacks. That's only for people that are shipping. We have to do that by code so they don't hit the stacks or anything. I'm hoping you can see this. Basically just wanted to show you this quick view of the back door. Back door basically has a self-tightening window, opens up. There's basically a heavy-duty wood rack in here. It goes inside the firebox. Give you some good airflow for your firebox. Self-tightening door. Vents on both sides of your firebox, dual stacks. Other than that, if you got any other questions, give me a call. Everything's smoothed out. Go flapper disc on the whole smoker. Well, wheels are all smooth. 1/4 inch pipe on the main and the firebox. My name's Chad with Johnson Smokers. Give me a call if you got any other questions. I appreciate it. Thank you.